Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so we are going to do a fix. If you guys have this problem, hopefully it fixes your issue. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It kind of really depends on what's the cause of your car's problem is as far as a no start is concerned. This is a no crank, no start issue. Normally, you would have this issue when the weather's cold. Sometimes it would start, sometimes it won't start, and in these situations, you're probably stuck trying to get some kind of easy fix as far as getting to where you need to go out of the situation that you're in. And the symptoms of this issue isn't really particular to the obvious things that you would think would be causing an issue like this. Normally when people are in this situation, they think it could be the battery that's the problem, it could be the fuse, it could be the star relay, stuff like that, where you need to have some kind of mechanical a little bit of mechanical DIY expertise to actually diagnose and fix the problem. Well, if this fixes it for you, then you are in luck. I know this is a common thing with Chrysler town and country vehicles, and possibly with some other Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep trucks and cars. So as I said, this happens a lot of times in when the weather is a bit colder out, and it's just a glitch with the system itself. Maybe it's a glitch with the fob key, maybe it's a glitch with the computer system, but this has worked for some people, and hopefully it works for you in this particular situation. So basically, what you guys want to do is, so first thing what you want to do is you want to have the key outside. You're gonna have your key in your hand, okay? With your foot on the brake, you're gonna put the key into the ignition. With your foot on the brake, you're going to put the key in the ignition. You're going to turn it to the on position. The on position is the position where all the lights on the dash are on. You're not starting the car. It's the ACC position where all the lights on your dash are on, with all the accessories are on, but you're not cranking it, that your car is not on. Now, after that, what you're going to do is you're going to put your hand on the gear selector. You're going to push the button, and you're going to put it in reverse. And just like that, you're going to push it back into park, and you're going to turn the key off, and you're going to turn your car back on. At this point, your vehicle should start if this particular situation is your situation. Now, I'm not saying that this particular situation is your situation, because these crank no starts, these no cranks no starts, there's a lot of things that could affect it or could cause it, but this is a quick fix for a quirky situation with some Chrysler vehicles, and hopefully it helps you out. But let's go through the process again. All right, very, very simple. You have your key in your hand. What you're going to do is you're going to put your foot on the brake pedal. You're going to put your key into ignition. You're going to turn it into the on position. All right, at that point, you're going to take the with your foot still on the brake, you're going to put your hand on the gear selector. You're gonna put it into reverse, just like that. All right, you're gonna take your hand off. You're gonna put it back into park. You're gonna turn turn it off, take the key out, and then you're going to put the key back in, and then you're going to turn on normally, at which point your vehicle should start. All right, and that's just a trick. Hopefully it helps you out. I'm sure in a lot of situations it won't, because it could be a bunch of other things causing it. But if this is one of those situations where it does help you out and gets your vehicle started, and in many cases it has with certain cases, it has. Hopefully yours is one of those cases where you don't have to call the tow truck and you can get your vehicle running again. All right, so I mean, if you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this particular set of issues, and if it has helped you guys out, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. If you guys have found something else that's a trick that works for you as far as turning your car on, leave a comment in the comment section. It might help other people out. But anyway, regardless, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Hope if you can, please give me a thumbs up, and have a good day, guys. All right, take care.